Hi, I'm Emily Bezic, a PhD student at the Centre for Clinical Brain Sciences at the University of Edinburgh. Today I'm going to discuss our current study, exploring factors that impact trial participation in people with motor neurone disease. Historically, trials in MND have been impacted by low recruitment and high rates of attrition that may affect a researcher's ability to detect potential effects of candidate drugs. MND SMART is a UK-wide adaptive trial design using repurposed medicines and aiming to recruit people with motor neuron disease. As many of the trial-specific issues often reported as affecting people with MND's engagement with clinical trials have already been addressed in the MND SMART trial design, things such as offering liquid medication, remote appointments, home drug couriering, and inclusive criteria. This is a unique opportunity to prospectively explore how patient-specific variables impact. CareMND, the clinical audit and research evaluation database, has 99% case ascertainment for people with MND in Scotland. CareMND collects clinical data and also acts as a research interest registry. All participation in FIT-P MND will be done via recruitment through CareMND. We hypothesize that patient-specific factors such as neuropsychiatric symptoms, cognitive impairment, behavioural change, disease phenotype, quality of life, and physical functioning will significantly impact upon people with MND's decision to participate and remain in MND SMART. Participants will complete questionnaires remotely. This data will be combined with clinical data from their CareMND record, and after 12 months, we will use MND SMART recruitment records to evaluate how many of the FIT participation MND participants also went on to get involved in MND SMART, and crucially, how many of them are still participating in the trial 12 months later. There's an urgent need for more effective therapies in MND, and MND SMART aims to address this gap. Recruitment and retention is a key consideration in all clinical trials, but particularly in MND due to the high disease burden, relatively lower prevalence, and limited treatment options available. This study is currently recruiting and the protocol has been submitted to the BMJ. We'd be interested to hear any comments or suggestions you may have, and we look forward to your input. Thank you for listening.